The production department is responsible for making the product. They need to ensure it's designed to meet the needs and wants of the customer identified by the marketing department, but also that the quality of the product is to the standard required. This department will inform buyers about the raw materials needed to create the desired product, making sure the materials purchased are of the required quality to satisfy the needs of the customer. Once the required materials have been purchased, this department will then create the goods using suitable production methods and distributing finished goods to retailers or consumers. They will make sure that the quality of the goods are controlled and that all products meet the same standard. Stock control is also part of this functional area, as they need to produce enough products to sell, but also not overproduce, which will cause problems such as overcrowding in the warehouse or having to discount outdated products. The production department is important as it drives the efficiency of the business forward and is responsible for the product that the consumer will finally purchase.